Hello dear students, today we have UPSC CSAT 2019 question paper with us, and here we are going to solve first 5 questions of that question paper in part 1, and we'll be solving these questions in part wise manner, and every part will consist around 5 questions, right? So let's start with the first part. Let's start with the questions. Okay, first question says every alternative letter of English alphabet from B onwards. B means second alphabet, right? So from second onwards, including B, is written in lowercase. So it means what? Every even letter is written as lowercase, right? And every odd lettered alphabet is written in uppercase or capital letter, right? Okay, fine. So we have this coding with us, EJOT, right? EJOT tells us the positioning of alphabets, right? So this is 5th, this is 10th, this is 15th, 20th and 25th, right? So E stands like E is what? E's position is 5th, J's position is 10th, O's position is 15th, T's position is 20th and Y's position is 25th, right? So after that, then how is the first month of the second half of the year is written? Second half of the year. Second half of the year is what? July to December. So first month of the second half. It means how July is written in that code. This is the question. So July is what? July. July, right? So obviously Y is 25th. J is 10th. Right? TU. It means U is 21st. L is what? JKL. L is 12th. Right? So there are 2 odd letters and 2 even letters word. Right? So J will be like small, right? U will be capital. L is even, so L will be small. And Y will be capital, right? So July will be written like this. Okay. So which option is there? So this is D option, right everybody? So D option is the correct choice, right? So correct answer is D option. Okay everyone, fine. This is again a very simple, this is a very simple question of coding decoding, right? So now let's talk about the next question. Okay. Next question says, Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. Okay. Length of the first piece is equal to the average of the first 3 single digit odd prime numbers. Odd prime numbers. 2 is also a prime number, but 2 is an even prime number. So single digit odd prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, right? Okay. The length of the first piece is equal to the average of the 3 single digit odd prime numbers. So average of these 3 numbers is what? Average is 5, right? So this is the average. So if this is the average, then obviously this is the length of the first sheet, right? So this is the length of the first sheet, right? Okay. In fact, not first sheet, first piece, right? Okay, because she's cutting the sheet into 3 pieces, right? So length of the first piece is this. Okay, fine. Now, length of the second piece is equal to that of the first plus 1/3 of the length of the third. Okay, what is third? We don't know. So let us assume, so let the length of the third is equal to what? Is equal to x, right? So length of the second is equal to length of the first plus 1/3 of the third, right? Okay, so this is second, fine. Okay, now the third piece is as long as the other 2 pieces together. Okay, so third is as long as the other 2 pieces together. It means what? First is what? 5. Second is what? Second is this 5 plus x by 3. So first and second together is equal to third. Third is what? X, right? So this is 10 plus x by 3 is equal to x. So 10 is equal to what? 2x by 3. This implies x is what? 5 into 3. This implies x is equal to 15, right? So the length of the third is 15 units, right? So this is the third piece. Okay, this is third piece, right? So first piece is 5 units and the third piece is 15 units, right? Now we need to find the length of the second piece. So second piece is what? Second piece is here 5 plus x by 3. So second piece is 5 plus x is what? X is equal to 15. So second is 5 plus 15 by 3. So 5 plus 5. So length of the second is what? 10 units. Right? This is the length of the second. Okay, everyone. So length of the second piece is equal to 10 units, right? Now what is the question? Question is the length of the original sheet of the paper. So original sheet of the paper is what? Original sheet of the paper is 5 plus 10 plus 15, right? So this is the length of the first, this is the length of the second, and this is the length of the third piece, right? So 5 plus 10 plus 15, this is equal to the original length. So original length is what? 30 units, right, everyone? So what is the answer? The answer is, the correct choice is D option. So the length of the total sheet is equal to 30 units. All right. So this is the answer. Okay, everyone. So the correct answer is 30 units, right? Now let's talk about the next question. Okay. Next question says, in the sequence 157, 357, 4, 357, how many fives are such which are not immediately preceded by 3 but are immediately followed by 7? Okay. So we have how many fives? 1 5, 2 5 and 3 5, and all the fives are immediately followed by 7, right? Okay. And these 2 fives are immediately preceded by 3 also, right? So only 1 5 is there which is immediately followed by 7 but not preceded by 3, right? So correct answer is A option. Okay, everyone, the correct answer is, we have only 1 5 which is not immediately preceded by 3 but immediately followed by 7, right? The correct option is A. We have only one such 5. Okay, this is a very simple question right here. We just need to observe the given data carefully, that's it, right? Okay, it's a very simple question. Everybody should try this question. Okay, now let's talk about the next one. All right. Next question says, a joint family consists of 7 members A, B, C, D, E, F and G with 3 females. Okay, 3 females and obviously 4 males are there in the family, right? G is a widow. Everyone, G is a widow and sister-in-law of D's father F. B and D are siblings and A is daughter of B. C is the cousin of B who is E. Okay. Okay. So let's draw the diagram. Let's draw the family tree, right? Question says, G is a widow. G is a widow means what? G is a female. Okay. And sister-in-law of D's father F. And sister-in-law of D's father F. Sister-in-law of F. It means what? G's sister. G's sister is married to F, right? And F is male, right, everyone? G's sister is married to F. F is male, right? Clear? Okay. And F is D's father, right? So F is D's father. Okay, fine. Now B and D are siblings. So B and D are in the same generation, right? B and D are the siblings and they are the, their parents is, their father is F. Fine. Okay. And A is daughter of B. A is daughter of B. A is daughter of B means what? A is female. Okay. See, everybody, initially the question says there are 3 females in the family, right? So 3 females. So one female is G, another female is A, right? And here the female character will be coming because she is the wife of F, right? So this is the female one, right? So obviously now all the all the rest males, all the rest members are the male, right? Okay. So it means D is male, B is also male, right? Now C is a cousin of B. The further data is C is the cousin of B. C is the cousin of B means what? C and B are in the same generation, and obviously M will be a male, right? So now only one character is left, which is E. So E will be coming over here, right? So E is what? E is female, and F and E are married couple, and their children are B and D, because B and D are siblings, right? I repeat, E and F are married couples and their children are B and D. Fine. Obviously, they both are male, so they both are son of B and D. Sorry, they both are son of E and F. Fine. And now the question is, who is E? So the first statement is wife of F. Yeah, it is correct. E is wife of F. It is correct. Okay. Grandmother of A. Fine. So obviously, E is what? E is the mother. E is the mother of B, and B is father of A. So obviously, A is the granddaughter of E. So we can say E is the grandmother of A, right? E is the grandmother of A. It is correct. Aunt of C. Yeah, this is also correct because C is the cousin of B. So obviously, E will be aunt of C. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. All the codes are correct, right? All the relations are correct. Okay, everyone, fine. All the relations are correct. This is a good question of blood relation, right? So now let's move to another question. Okay. Next question says, each face of a cube can be painted in black or white color. Okay. In how many different ways can the cube be painted? Okay. A cube has 6 faces, right? There are 6 faces in a cube, right? If a face can be painted either black or white, so obviously we can have these many arrangements, right? So it can be 0 black face, all 6 are white. It can be 1 black face, 5 faces are white, or it can be 2 faces black, 4 faces are white. It can be 3 faces black, 3 faces white. It can be 4 faces black, 2 faces white. It can be 5 faces black, 1 face white, or it can be 6 faces black or 0 face white, right? So now these are the these are the possible ways. Fine. Now this every way can be performed in how many manners? This also we need to take care of, right? So suppose that we are painting the cube in this manner, 0 black and all the faces are white. So obviously this can be done only in one way, right? So all the faces will be painted white. And similarly this is also the case, which can be done in only one way, right? All the faces will be painted black, right? Now here, if all the faces, if one face is painted black and all others are white, so this can also be done in one way only, right? This is also can be done in one way only, right? Okay. Now let's talk about 4 faces white and 2 faces black. This can be done in 2 ways, right? This can be done in 2 ways. How come? First and second. 2 black faces may be opposite to each other, right? 2 black faces may be opposite to each other. Or they may be adjacent to each other. They may be adjacent to each other, right? So this can be done in 2 ways. Similarly, this also can be done in 2 ways, right? When 4 faces are black and 2 faces are white, this also can be done in 2 ways, right? Okay, clear? Now let's talk about this 3 face black and 3 face white, right? This also can be done in 2 ways. 3 faces black and 3 faces are white. This also can be done in 2 faces, right? So first way and the second way, right? So now how they can be done, let me tell you. First, all the three will be in one corner. All the three black will be in any one of the corners, right? This is the first way, right? Or the second manner is two of them will be opposite and one is in between. Two of them will be opposite to each other, and another will be in between. Another will be in between, right? So this case can also be performed in two ways, right? So now we just need to count all the ways. So 1, 2, then 2, 2, 2, 6, 6 to 8, 8 and 1, 9, 9 and 1, 10, right? So total we have 10 ways to paint the cube, right? So the correct answer is B choice, right? B option is the correct one. Total we have 10 ways to paint the cube, right? So everyone, this is a good question, but in the examination, I won't suggest you to solve this question if you haven't gone through these type of questions like earlier, right? If you are very new to these type of questions, please don't solve this question in the examination, right everyone? I repeat, if you are very new to these type of questions, please don't solve this question in the examination, right? I mean, if you're not familiar with these type of questions, so please don't solve this question in the examination, because this will take a lot of time of your, right everybody? Fine. So let's talk about the next question. Oh, so this part is over, right? So we'll be coming with another set of 5 questions in the next part. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Thank you.